Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
US and global equities did little to rebound from fresh lows, even as the Bank of England said it would step into the bond market to stem a damaging rise in borrowing costs, an attempt to dampen investors' fears of contagion across the financial system. Decentralized finance protocol Ribbon Finance, known for its on-chain structured products, said it is launching an options exchange to boost demand for its services among savvy crypto traders. Sterling tumbled again after the Bank of England said it would step in to prop up the gilt market, the latest sign of nerves in financial markets, which helped nudge the dollar to its latest two-decade peak. The euro-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 4.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.9% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT. Spain's consumer price index will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.